Good evening, everyone. We are going to start in 5 minutes. Okay, guys, let others also join the session. Then we are going to start with our introduction session. Okay, so let others join till then.
भाई साहब जल्दी याद करो। मैं तो हो गया ज्वाइन।
Please, everyone, make sure that their mics have been muted. Okay.
हेलो। हेलो। हाय। हेलो। हाँ हाय हाय। हेलो।
Hello, guys. For just now, just mute your mics. Okay. We will take each and every query from your end when all people will get joined. Okay. So just have some patience over there. You will get the chance. Okay, we are going to start in just 2-3 minutes. Let's other students also join the session because only few students have joined right now and some are trying to join the session. So we are going to wait for them and in 2-3 minutes we are going to start. Okay.
hello, hello, hello.
Hello,
Hello, hello, hello, hello, hello.
hello,
Hello.
Hel-
Yes. Okay. So good evening, everyone.
good evening.
Yeah, I am Vansh and I am your technical operational lead at Global Next Consulting Indian Private Limited company. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of you for this 6-week internship program. Thank you so much for joining this. And also congratulations on our behalf that you have make it till here. Students from different colleges have joined our company for this internship program, and you are one of them. So I wish best of luck to all of you who are there, have joined this session. And I just want
hello,
one
hello,
thing.
hello, 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 hello.
Uh, yes. So are you unable to hear me, Saurabh? Yeah. So sorry for the interruption. So this internship is designed not just for learning opportunity, but it also provides you a platform where you can upskill yourself. Okay, you can uh, going to see that how you can enhance your communication skill over this 6-week internship period. How you are going to learn from each other. There will be a competitive environment, but a healthy one. Okay, so it will good for everyone to learn from each other and grow accordingly. And also one thing I want to tell you guys that if you are going to attend each and every session from day one to the end of this internship, then I will guarantee that you will see the progress in your communication skills, your technical skills, and as a personal individual, you also grow. Okay, so just make sure that the strength I am seeing over there in today's session, it will be continued for all the 6 weeks. Then it will going to help you a lot. This is not going to be a one-way conversation. I am only the instructor is only going to teach you, and you are not going to respond. You have to respond accordingly, so it can be a active session for all of you. Uh, uh, let me introduce you a little bit more about our company. That I have already told you that students from all over the India have joined this company and trust this company for their internship programs also. And it provide you such platform where you can just enhance your skills. Okay. And I would also like to introduce you with your instructor, Anshika ma'am, who are going to take the sessions for you. She will take the session for you after some time. Till then, let me just tell you that what we are going to cover in this 6 week internship program. There is a particular structured way for each week, that how we are going to learn every new stack from starting from first week to the 6th week. Okay. Also, on based of the learning in the first 3-4 days, you will assign a particular project. Okay, and you all have to create that project so that you can present it to us in a week. Okay, so this also help you to create some projects and learn practically, not only theoretically. You are going to learn through this internship program practically also, so that will boost your confidence, and when you are going to present your project, it will also enhance your communication skill. Because everyone has the knowledge, but sometimes what happens that we are just hesitate while presenting it in front of other people. So this platform will provide you a good space for that how you are going to enhance your all overall skills. Okay. And one more thing, that don't worry about the offer letters, because I can see multiple doubt regarding that also. We have shared the link for offer letter, so you can fill your data over there, and then you will be eligible for getting your offer letter. And we will provide you it as soon as possible, as there are multiple students. So it will take some time, but everyone make sure that they have completed the form which was already shared, the link for that which was already shared in your respective groups. Okay, so I think that you are going to fill that uh, at your end. And one more thing, that about company, you can also search through the website which we have shared in your respective group, that from different colleges, that how students have joined this, and they have become the better version of themselves after the internship program. Because one thing they have done, that they were actively participated in each and every session. Okay, so only then you are going to achieve something. If you are regular in this, you also have to show some activeness. Okay, then only we can achieve the new heights. Okay, so I think that now I can over to your instructor Anshika ma'am. She will tell you more about your session, that how we are going to cover all of these things, a basic idea about that today. Okay. So thank you so much for joining everyone. And I think that you are going to be consistent in every session. So over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Hello, everyone. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening,
Hi,
ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am. Good
so
evening. One question.
Yeah, good evening.
yes,
Good evening, ma'am.
One question.
yes, Advait.
Yeah. This internship paid or unpaid?
Ma'am, you are not
Uh,
visual.
am I not audible to you all?
No, ma'am, you
Ma'am,
are
you are
Yeah.
audible.
not visual.
Audible.
Guys,
Audible.
ask your doubts after she introduce herself. Okay. uh,
Oh,
you will get each and every idea about the internship program. Don't worry about that. Okay. So, ma'am, now you can continue.
Okay. So, hello, everyone. I am Anshika Sharma, and I will be your instructor for this internship. Since you all know that this will be a 6 week internship, I will be instructing you throughout. So basically, what will be happening in this internship is this will be a Monday to Friday session, there 5 days a week session, and at the last of the week, which is on Friday, I will be assigning you with some projects. So you will be getting Saturday and Sunday for building your projects, and then on Monday, when we will be meeting for the in the next week, you all have to present that project. Like you have to share your screen, and then you have to present whatever you have built, what functionalities you have added to your projects, and how you have made. First of all, you will be explaining your code. What, for example, if you have done some static website, so what HTML you have added, CSS have you have added, and what JavaScript functions you have added. Then you will be explaining your showing your presentation in the website form. So that is how all your 6 week internship will be there. Uh, just keep in mind that you all have to present your projects mandatorily, because I have to make sure everyone is presenting. Also, I will be maintaining the records of the people who will be presenting all their projects, and only then you all will be eligible for your certificates at the end. Second thing, apart from presentation, you all have to make a GitHub repository for your projects. And then at last, or almost before your internship will end, you will be getting a Google form in which you all have to share your GitHub repository links for your each uh, projects. So at the last of your internship, you all will be building 5 mini projects, each for from week 1 to week 5. And at the last of week 6 for your internship, you all will be uh, given a group in which you all have to work in a group and build a major project out of that. That will be a group project. And at the end of that major project, your internship will be completed and you all will be then eligible for your certificates. One more thing, after every week, you all have to share your projects on LinkedIn as well and tag our company, GNCIPL. I hope all of you have followed till now our company page in the LinkedIn as well. So in total, if I recap, first of all, you all have to build uh, every week project, whichever I will be assigning you. Second, you all have to make GitHub repository for each of the projects. Third, you have to share your projects on LinkedIn. And at the last, you will all will be getting a Google form in which you all will be sharing your GitHub repository links, and that will be checked whether you have submitted all your projects, all the 5 mini projects. Then at the last, you all will be presenting your final project with a final report. Then your internship will be completed and hence you all will be getting your final certificates. Okay, I hope it is clear, because it is very important, because at the last we won't be seeing such students. We won't entertain people who all will be asking for certificates without completing these many projects or anything. And also your class attendance will be recorded. Since you all can see, your meeting is being recorded and attendance is also being recorded. So please make sure that you all attend the session daily. I hope
Hello,
that
ma'am.
is clear to you all. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Your screen is not shared. You can share that and also tell them about the curriculum so that they can get a fair idea about it. Thank you.
Okay, just a minute, sir. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Just let me know if it is visible to you all. Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this will be your whole curriculum. First, in the first week, we will be brushing your JavaScript concepts, your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So all you, at the last, you all will be revising your JavaScript concepts. And then at last, you will be given a static portfolio website, any static website that you all can make. Uh, it will be better if you create your own portfolio, because at last you can all just enhance your portfolio website only, and that will be better for you all only. Then for the next week, we will be covering the React.js, and then you all will be getting the React.js project at the last. So you can
Hello,
see
ma'am.
that whatever, yes.
I can't see your screen.
Just rejoin your session because everyone are able to see her screen. Okay, so just do one thing, that rejoin the session. Yes, ma'am, you can
Okay.
continue.
Okay, so I was telling you that whatever we will be covering in the whole week. Just a kind of revision to you all. If anybody is new to the concept, they can learn it. And if you all have already learned that concept or learn that extra, you all can brush up your concepts and then you can create a mini project out of that at the end of the week. Then at for the week 3, we will be doing Node.js with Express, and you will be getting a mini project for the RESTful APIs. And you can create any project, for example, blog or product inventory like this. Next, for the week 4, we will be covering before Mongoose, I will be telling you all few uh, concepts about NoSQL data, which is SQL also, which is a relational database. Before Mongoose, we will be covering a relational database as well, which is SQL for you all. And then I will be covering Mongoose and MongoDB in the week 5. So for week 4, we will be doing our database after our backend, and you will be getting the project as well. Then for the week 5, we will complete our Mongoose, which is a non-relational database, and you will be completing your whole full stack website that will be having front end also and back end also. And at the last of week 6, I will be telling you how you can deploy your uh, projects. You can get a domain for your website that you all can share your URL links for your particular website, and also you can share that URL in your resume also, because that is a very good habit. Whenever you will be in front of any HR, they can ask you whether your project is live or not. And at that time, you all will be having your live URLs, which is domain that you get out of the some deployment tools that we all have, like Versal, Netlify, or Render or Railway, for different hosting for front end and back end respectively. And then you all can get your URLs and you can also add in your resume. So at the end of week 6, I will be telling you deployment. And in the week 6, I will be giving you a major project by giving you all a group. So whoever will be uh, doing all the sessions till the last, they all will be given a group that will be created among yourself only, and then you all will be performing and creating a project in the group, because a group project is also a very mandatory thing that you all will be doing in the company that you all will be joining later. So group project is also very important at the last, and it is a mandatory thing. Then you will be presenting your group project. Whoever has done the front end part, they will be explaining their front end part. Whoever will be telling the doing the back end part, they will be telling their back end things. So whatever work you all will be doing in the group project, you will be presenting that. Just as simple as that. Nothing much serious what you all will be doing. And also for make sure uh, you all have to create a project file also, and that will be only for the week 6 that I will be telling whenever I will be giving your last project. So that is that I can leave for the later part. First, just I want you all to make sure that you all are doing the mini projects regularly, attending the sessions regularly, and posting all your projects on the LinkedIn as well. I hope it is clear till now. Or if you have any doubts, you can ask also. One more thing, whenever you all have any doubts, you can either write in your chat box or you can raise your hand and I will call you one by one. Because if you all will be speaking simultaneously, that will create a chaos in the meet and that is going to be entertained by you all. So I hope you make, please be disciplined in the class. That will be very good. Okay, so Advait, you can now ask what do you want to ask? Advait,
Hello, ma'am.
hi.
May I know if there are any charges or fees to join this internship?
Hello,
No, they
Advik. Uh, every detail regarding this internship program has already shared with you on your respective mails. So everyone, please check your mails and read the guidelines over there, which have already we have shared to your emails. Okay. So if you are going to go through with that, then there will be no doubt regarding that. Okay. So just go through that, then it will be clear at your end that uh, regarding every doubt of yours. Okay. Uh,
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you give a overview of what we'll be learning in the weekdays, ma'am?
That is what I was telling you. We will be covering initially the you will be basically revising your JavaScript concepts, then the front end part, your database, and then at the last your NoSQL database. Then you will be getting your final week project.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Arijit, you can now ask your doubt.
Good evening, ma'am. Uh,
Good
I
evening.
was asking, I have a doubt about the repository thing. You said we have to create repository regarding every project we create every week. And do we have to deploy the project before sharing the link of that repository?
No, for the deployment purpose, your last week 5 project will be mandatory if you deploy that. You can deploy other projects also, but mandatorily you have to deploy your week 6 and week 5 project.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, Suprita,
Good evening, ma'am. Can I know about what will be the class timings for weekdays?
what? Please repeat your
Class,
question.
what will be the class? What will be the class timings?
I'm not understanding your doubt.
it will be same from 7 p.m. Onwards. Okay. Actually, she
Okay,
is asking
okay,
for the timing of the session.
class
Okay,
time.
okay.
Yeah, yeah, thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Jan, are you there? Yes,
Hello.
yes, Advait.
How many hours per day will I need to give for this internship?
Basically, you all have to join from 7 p.m. That will last mostly maximum up to 9 p.m.
Okay.
Yes, Vanshika.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, my doubt is that by chance I am not able to submit my project on the last week. So, there are any circumstances?
By the end of the internship, you all have to submit it. You all can get extensions maximum up to 2 to 3 days. After you will be presenting your week 6 project. That is maximum. Okay, Vanshika?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Sri. Sri, are you there? Akhand, yes,
Hello, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, my question is that when we complete the internship, can we get the PPO offer?
That we will tell you later. Let's just start with your internship first.
Uh, Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Advait.
Since my some projects are already completed full stack, I will also required to create new project during this internship.
You all will be getting few list of projects out of which you have to choose one and make one project for the particular week. If you already have that particular project for that particular week, then either you can enhance it or you can present that one also because uh, mainly you have to submit your projects at the end. 5 mini projects and one major project.
Okay.
And make sure that you are presenting all of your projects, everyone.
Yeah.
Yes, Shri. Shri, are you able to hear me? There must be some network issue. Any other doubts?
Yeah,
Yes,
hello.
Kirti.
Ha-
Yeah.
Yeah, my question was about the duration of the internship. Or what is the start date and end date? Just to be aware, when will the submission be around the time?
You all will be getting your start date in your offer letters. That will be
Okay,
mostly from today only.
okay,
And about your last submission date, that will be after 1 week. I will be giving you all the major project. For example,
okay, fine.
if you all are getting the major project today, so
Okay,
next Monday will be the maximum that you all will be getting the time for your presentation, including your presentation.
okay. I mean, the final sixth week will be exactly 6 weeks from.
Okay, so there must be some network issue at her end. Yes, Kirti.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Could you please share the structure or syllabus of the internship? Actually, I joined late meetings, so that's why.
Okay. So do I tell you again? Basically,
Yes, ma'am,
in the
please.
week one, we will be covering all the JavaScript concepts, HTML, CSS that you all, I hope everybody knows that. So just the revision of those concepts. Because in the HR round, your interviews, JavaScript is a very important factor that plays an important role in your hiring. So that is why I will be covering the JavaScript concepts briefly. And then for the next week, I will start with the React. Then for the third week, I will be telling you all Node.js with Express. That will be the start of backend. Then SQL. And for the next week 5, that will be Mongoose and MongoDB. And at the last of week 6, you all will be doing the deployment of your projects, how you can deploy your projects and get a live URL out of that. And then week 6 project will be assigned to you that you will be getting around 1 week to build that project and present it. Don't worry about how much time you will be getting for your major project. Make sure that you all are building your mini projects regularly and presenting it in the next week, that is between Monday to Wednesday. About major projects, you all will be getting sufficient time and for the making of that project also, and also for the submission of your project, which is presentation as well as the project report. Try to be regular with your mini projects.
Guys, with each and every session, everything will be clear to you. Okay, so don't worry about that right now. You will get idea about that how we are going to take the theoretical session and when we are going to give you the project, when you have to everything you will get to know when we are taking your sessions. Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Advait. Just a
What
minute.
is the
Once, sir. Just a minute, Advait. Once, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, you were not audible. Someone from you all is muting both of us. That is not good because then
Uh,
you all will not be able to unmute yourself and ask your doubts. Just please make sure that you all are not doing such kind of things. Yes,
Guys,
sir.
this internship platform is for all of you. Okay, so if you are not interested in doing this, then you can just leave, but others are here to participate and just enhance their skills. So if you are doing this, this is not acceptable, you can just leave the session, but if you have joined it, then utilize your time. Okay. Yeah. So I was saying that you will get to know about each and everything regarding the project, regarding the classes, when we are going to continue with that session. Okay, so don't worry about that right now. You will get a fair idea about it. till this weekend. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Now you can continue.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Yes, Advait.
What is the selection process and how many rounds are there, ma'am?
For what?
Internship?
So you must be getting all the information in your mails as sir has told you.
Advik, your each week performance, your regularity in the sessions, and the projects, how good projects you have created, it will all be checked at our end. Okay. Then it will take some time for us because this is a 6 week internship program. So you have to be consistent all over this 6 week. Then you will get to know about that. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, good.
Okay, so any other doubts? Okay. So now we can start with our first session today. May I ask you all what all you have covered as a tech stack in the full stack? What you all know so that I can get an idea of how much you have worked in this field. You can write your answers in the chat box.
Actually, access to the chat box is closed
Has
right
been
now.
off.
You can
Okay,
just
okay.
raise your hands one by one and we can take your doubts. Okay. And whatever the response from your side is.
Yes, Hema.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Ma'am, I only know only HTML and CSS. Is it possible to cover all the things
Yes,
in
yes,
this
yes. It
within?
is possible.
Okay, ma'am.
Just join the session daily and regularly. It will be good for you only that you will be learning all your things in a sequence manner. Don't worry about that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Piyush?
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. So, like in the front end, I have covered the HTML, CSS part, and in the JavaScript, so there are some concepts that I can't able to understand, like the promises and the async await. And in the back end, I have covered the Node.js, Express, and Mongoose, like I have worked, and I have made some projects. So I have basic knowledge, and I have made some simple projects. So yeah, I will enhance my skills in this internship.
Okay, good. That was a very better approach for approaching this internship. That you all know that you all are trying to learn something new. That is good. Yes, others? Arijit, yes.
Uh, Ma'am, I have learned JavaScript, HTML, CSS, React.js, Tailwind CSS, and a little bit of Express.js and stuff. But I am not very confident about Express.js. That's why I joined it, so that I can practice more and learn more about it, so that I can make better applications, web applications to be exact.
Okay, good. Good, good. When you all will be making your projects and explaining it in the presentation session, then you all will be learning your all doubts regarding every concept will be cleared. Okay, others? What about others?
Hello,
Yes,
ma'am. Good evening,
Prashant.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my name is Balesh Babu, ma'am.
Okay.
I also covered with some of the technologies like HTML, CSS, Python also I know, JavaScript I know, and I have been learning Node.js, React.js, and Express.js also, and I also very good in SQL, ma'am.
Okay, good. Uh, just a suggestion for you, Bala, that please raise your hand and then try to answer whatever you are being asked. That will be a
Yeah,
very
okay,
good
ma'am.
practice. And okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
okay, thank you. Next time I'll do that, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Yes, Prashant.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Uh,
evening.
yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, I have a little knowledge about these JavaScript, CSS, HTML, but actually, I am so much enthusiastic to participate in hackathon. So I have participated in multiple hackathons, which leads me to build so much web development, app development, and some social related problem. So I have built these things, but I lack my knowledge. Like I don't have complete knowledge about everything, but I have a little knowledge, and I have built right now like 4 to 5 projects, few for government and few for my personal uses. But when it comes to the code part and when I need to explain that, at that point I just lag where, because my most projects is on based on like chat gpt, like I just provide them the logic and the complete ideas. But when it times to explain me, so at that time I lag, ma'am. But I have a very little knowledge about, and my domain is cyber security, specialization in cyber security. But due to hackathons, I have tried to learn I have tried to learn web development or full stack development. So I have very little knowledge about this. So I want here to improve my main problem, explaining. So like I want to explain my codes, and I'd like to present my problem. So actually what kind of project I have made. So my main focus is to explain the code part. Like I am so much interested in projects based learning.
That is very good. That is a very best habit of learning new technology this time. So make sure that you are attending all the sessions, because in the sessions you will be covering your theory part, and then you all will be getting 2 days for making your projects. Just make your projects
Yes,
from
ma'am.
scratch. Then you all will be
Okay,
able
ma'am.
to present your project also and explain every line of code.
Okay, ma'am. I will try my best, ma'am.
Okay, good. Good,
Yes,
Prashant.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, yes, Vala Yesu.
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am. We have been learning different type of technologies, but till now we didn't get good knowledge in that. But you are providing only 1 to 2 hours in a day and up to 45 days. Will we get the good knowledge in that, ma'am?
Please repeat your doubt.
We have been learning different kind of technologies, ma'am.
Yes.
Till now, we didn't get the good knowledge till now by efforting a lot of hours in a day. But you are providing only 1 to 2 hours of time. So, especially, I came here to get the real world experience, ma'am. I can very good in I'm very good in full stack development, that I can say as a fresher, but I didn't develop the good projects. So I want to get the real world project and the real world knowledge also. So will it possible to get that, ma'am?
Yes, it will be possible. If it is good that you are already good in the full stack website development, you will here you will be able to present your projects. You will be learning communication skills as well as at the last you will be doing a real world project only, which is a major
And
project.
okay, some of the internships also have seen they are just providing some of the classes and some of the tasks they will provide, and they ask to present the repository, but they didn't give the good knowledge in that. So that's why I'm asking you.
If you will be attending the sessions regularly, then you can see that here all the concepts are being taught briefly.
Uh, yeah, ma'am. Will we get the like one-to-one session, ma'am? Like, if you have any doubts in that, can we clear that by asking you?
Yes, at the end of the session, you all are free to ask your doubts, whatever we have covered in the session, or any other doubts regarding the internship.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Harshad.
Just a minute, ma'am. Sorry for the interruption.
Hello,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
I just
The
Just
completed
a
introduction,
the
ma'am.
minute.
HTML. Hello.
Just a minute, Harshad.
Okay.
Yes. So, guys, I was saying that you are talking that only in 2 hour sessions that how you are going to enhance our skills. It also takes your efforts that what we are teaching you per day, how you are going to revise that. Okay. At your end, you also have to practice that portion. Like suppose if in React portion, we have taught you about a particular hook. So it's your responsibility that how you are going to just implement that hook in some other projects, or you can also create a particular snippet of code regarding that particular concept. Okay, so this is also up to you that we are going to give our best in the session, but it also depends at your end that are you able to give the time at your end also or not, because see, it is not like that we are telling
Audible?
in a particular stack in a session and you will be able to digest everything at once. Okay, so it will take some efforts from your end also, so that you can revise that and accordingly create that. So please also try to give time at your end also. Yes, now Harshit, you can continue. Harshad, I guess.
Hello, hello, sir. Good evening.
Hi. Good evening,
Good
Harshit.
evening, ma'am. Ma'am, I just learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Can you audible?
Yes. Yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, I just completed the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React JS plus Tailwind CSS. And recently I joined Hex म्हणजे internship content internship by Hex structure, and I completed that 6 weeks of internship, and at the end of they charged me the 399 rupees for the letter of certificate, म्हणजे completion letter. So I denied to you that money. So ma'am, is that a real company never asked for money. So why they ask for money?
Harshit, we can't tell you why they have charged you for the fees. But here we can assure you that this internship is totally free and you all will be building the projects and also the real world project at the last. We cannot guarantee about other companies. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Got it.
Okay. Yes, Abhishek.
Hello. Good evening,
Hi.
ma'am.
Good evening.
I have good knowledge about.
Just a minute. There are two Abhishek, I guess. I
Okay,
am
sorry.
talking to Abhishek. Abhishek, just Abhishek.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I have good knowledge about Mun stack, and I have also tried out Next.js a little bit. But I have not confidence about Mun stack. Like if somebody says you XYZ project to build in front of me, then my mind is freeze out. And he give me private space for that work, then I will done it with help of internet and other resources. And also I have create many project by the Mun stack.
Okay, good. Uh, just in case if you are taking help from the internet or even chat GPT, that is not a problem. The main thing you should know is what you are actually coding. Like what are the middlewares? What are the functionalities you have added? If in case you have added a card function in your project, so how that card function is being built. That is more important because in your interviews also, they won't be giving you whole website to build. Of course, they will be testing your few coding concepts in the machine round, but main thing is that you should know what are the concepts, like what are the routes, how those routes are being called, how the RESTful APIs are being called, what are RESTful APIs. That is what we asked in the interviews. It is not a problem if you are using internet, but also in this internship, when you will be building your projects in from the scratch, you all have to explain that code also. And then eventually you all will be learning the main what is this code explaining. For example, even if you have copied the code from ChatGPT, you all have to explain that also. And at the end, you will be learning whatever you have coded, because you cannot skip that part of not explaining code of your project. That is a mandatory thing over here. And that is why this internship has been designed for you all only, so that you can develop this habit of whatever you have coded, you should understand that also.
Okay,
Is
ma'am.
it okay with you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, good. Yes, Abhishek Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Abhishek Kumar. I
Hi.
know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and backend as a Node.js, and then framework I know React and MongoDB as a database. But ma'am, my challenge is that mainly like I'm not explaining our projects in professional way. That's why I'm joining.
Okay, okay. No problem. I can see a very similar kind of problem with everybody. You all can see that you all are surrounded with same people who have similar kind of problems. It will be a platform for you all, that you all can share your doubts. You can ask your doubts. It is not like that only I will be handling your doubts. Others can also tell if they know the answers, and
Yeah, ma'am.
just
Ma'am,
help
I
each other.
know. Yeah, ma'am, I know how the works like, and but I'm not
Right.
explaining the project in professional way. That's why.
You will be learning by the end of this internship. I can guarantee you, if you are doing all your mini projects and attending the session.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Abhishek. Uh, Harshit, do you want to ask any doubt? Otherwise, you can now unraise your hand.
No, ma'am. Sorry.
No problem. Okay. Others, what about others? What they have done? Yes, Suprita.
Hello, ma'am, I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Hello. Yeah, okay, thank you. I'm good at doing front end designs and all, but I'm fair about doing back end technologies. I learned, but I'm not that much guaranteed to work on. When someone asks me some doubts on back end, I can't able to suggest them, or I can't. I feel something like I fear, ma'am, when telling something on back end. I fear. I'm not sure about the back end, so I just want to learn back end completely.
Yes, you will be learning the backend as well. This
Okay.
fear is because you have not explained your projects to someone else. When you will be explaining
Yeah.
your project, then you will be learning
Yeah.
this one also, and there won't be fear anymore.
Oh, okay. Okay. Then I have one doubt. If we miss the class, can we get any recorded sessions? By any chance, if we miss the class, can we get any recorded sessions?
Yes, you all will get the recorded sessions. I will ask from sir and
Okay.
let you know about how you will be able to access all those classes.
Okay.
Guys,
Okay. Thanks.
recorded section sessions are only for those students who have some urgent work. Okay, you have to join the live session. If there is something that
No.
you have an important class over there in your college, then you can
Yeah.
share us that particular proof so that we can
Okay.
provide you the recorded sessions. Okay, otherwise you have to join the
Okay. Okay.
session
Sure.
live.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Sure. Fine. Thank you.
Okay, great.
Yes, Nandini.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening.
Ma'am, I know front-end development with Next.js and React, and I'm currently learning Node.js. I have also built a cab booking project using Next.js, TypeScript, and APIs. And that's it. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good, Nandini. You have worked a lot. You will be learning more in this internship.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Jaya.
Evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening.
I've learned HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but I'm not sure about some concepts like asynchronous JavaScript and all. And I have developed some projects like online quiz website using Node.js and MySQL. Actually, our college people told to use those technologies, but I'm eager to learn about Express.js and uh, MongoDB in this internship program.
Okay, good. Good, Jaya. You have also worked a lot in this field also, and you will be learning a lot here.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Vanshika.
Yes, hello, ma'am. I know about HTML, CSS, and pretty much of JavaScript. I also do some projects of like codify, etc., websites I make. Mainly, I am good at front end, not much at back end. I hope to learn more about the back end, JS, Node.js, and React as well.
Okay, okay. Nice. Have also done very well in this field. Just please make sure that you are attending the sessions. You will be learning your backends as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, others? So only these many people are interested in this internship. Yes, Satyam.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. Am I audible, ma'am? Hello. Hello.
Yes, you are audible, Satyam.
Okay. Hi, sir. Good evening. And good
Good
evening, ma'am.
evening.
Ma'am, actually, right now I'm working with the React and I
Yes, you are
have
audible.
hands-on on. Okay. I'm hands-on with the front-end part, but I'm here excited to learn like Node.js and Express.js.
Okay, great. Just keep your enthusiasm like this only till the end of this internship, and you will be learning everything. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Shri.
Yeah, hi. I have done some.
Hi.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Shri.
Okay. I have done some work in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I'm really looking forward to expand this towards React. I'm familiar with it, but I think the mini projects will help. And also, I have worked with Python-based Flask and Fast API. So, if that is useful in the mini projects, I would like to contribute there as well and learn more.
Uh, yes, Shri. Am I audible to everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can add whatever technologies you have done. Basically, in the
Okay.
project list, you will be getting whatever tech stacks you have to mandatorily use. But in case you
Okay.
want to use any other tech stack, you can also showcase. And whenever you are presenting your project in the presentation session, make sure that you are uh, explaining that particular part that you have enhanced yourself
Okay.
mandatorily, because that will enhance your presentation skills as well, because we won't know
Yeah.
if you have added any a new functionality apart from what we have told you. And in the
Okay.
presentation session only you will be able to upskill yourself, and your project will be better than others.
Yeah. Sounds right. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Yes, Antara.
Hello, hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Hello,
Hi. Hi, am I audible?
hello, ma'am.
Hello. Yes. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, one question. Since many members have joined, may I know how many students will actually be selected for this internship? How many?
That we cannot tell you at the first session of this internship. We will
Approx.
see who who are consistent enough till the end of this internship. Basically, the selection part is based on the how you are presenting your mini projects, how you are in behaving or basically responding in the weekly sessions.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Antara.
Yes, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Hi.
Hi. So I have built some projects on MERN stack, like in my minor and major projects in college. So I am pretty well versed with the front end part, but I need to gain some more knowledge about the back end. So because I have used it as much as my project required the back end section. So I want to learn more about the workflow. So I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, good. Just do all the mini projects. You will be learning your backend and improve your backend skills as well.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Antara. Yes, Gyan.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
evening.
I have learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and for front-end frameworks, I learned React and Next.js. And for backend, I have learned Node.js, Express.js, and a little bit of Flask. And I have also applied it in various hackathons and projects. But I do not have professional work experience, and I'm looking forward to get it through this internship.
Okay, Gyan. Uh, Whatever you have learned new technologies, try to make projects with them also and present your projects in those area also, so that your projects will be better from what you have learned.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Okay. Just a minute, guys. I will be rejoining the meeting. There is some network issue at my end because I am not able to hear your voice clearly. Just a minute.
Well, this is very good, guys, that you are actually know about your weaknesses and you are uh, confronting it in front of everyone. So this is great that you are doing that. And I know that Prashant has actually given started this, like he has told everyone that he used AI tools for that to create his website, and that's his weakness. He is not able to just explain the code part. So this is good, Prashant, that you are accepting it in front of everyone. So I just suggest you to please be there throughout the internship, and then you will see the change in yourself, that how you are able to just explain the logics to others also. Okay. Uh, so good.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. And
Sure, sure, sure.
others also, they are also telling about their weaknesses and what thing they are looking for into this internship program. So this is good, guys, that you are trying it at your end, so that we can have a fair idea about your approach regarding this internship. Okay, so please be consistent throughout the session. Then you will see the change after 1 or 2 week itself. Okay, so
Okay.
great.
Hi. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Antara, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am, not yet.
Okay, so you can now unraise your hand. Archana.
Ma'am,
Hi.
Good
Yes,
evening, ma'am.
Advait.
hello, ma'am.
Just a minute, Archana. Yes, Advait.
Will there also be opportunity to work on real company projects or only weekly session and mini projects in internship?
Your last project will be a real world project. Before that, you have to complete all your mini projects.
And will the many projects we build be useful for our portfolio and resume?
It is up to you how you are building your mini project. We will be giving you the list of projects for each week. Now you have to choose which project you are building and what functionalities you are adding in your project.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Archana.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening.
I have a good knowledge about HTML and CSS, but I'm looking forward to learn more about the Moon stack and more technologies, ma'am.
Okay, good. It is a very good thing that you have learned also, and you will be learning more in this internship as well. Keep your learning habit like this only. Okay, yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
Harshita.
Okay.
Harshita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening.
Yes, ma'am. I'm really interested in ma'am full stack development because I really enjoy to build user-friendly websites or applications. And ma'am, I've also worked on projects like real-time location using tracker using React and Node.js. But ma'am, I'm still learning some SQL databases and I'm finding a bit challenging. So ma'am, I also want to improve this.
Okay, so whatever challenges you are facing when you will be building projects in that particular technology, you will have your all your doubts cleared, because it is a very good habit if you are learning any tech stack and building the projects in the same. 'Cause that is a good approach while learning any new tech stack in this new world era.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. What about others? Yes, Vishwa.
Good evening, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Ma'am, I build some projects, ma'am. I want to learn backend properly. Till now, for my project, I use tools like Strappy and Superbase to manage my backend. But I really want to learn the real backend, ma'am. That's why I'm joining this internship.
Okay, good.
Okay.
So everybody has now told what they have done and what projects they have made. It is a kind of intro only, because in interview session also you will be asked about your projects only. Yes, yes, Harshita.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, I want to ask, can I present my old projects while submission on mini project? Like I also submitted, I also posted on GitHub also previous.
Yes, you can present your previous projects also. Try to enhance if you can, add some more functionalities, and try to explain whatever you have built. That is okay. But if it will be good if you try to enhance new features or add some new features.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Rahul.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Hi, good evening.
So I know a little about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and I also know about like MySQL and database, but I don't know how to combine them together to make a like full website, working website. So like I'm weak in this part to like combine them and make a like working website.
Okay, okay. Just be consistent in the session. You will be able to learn that one also.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So, any other person who has been left? Anyone? Rahul, do you want to say something?
Ma'am, when we built a mini project and we have some problem in building it, so we maybe ask to you about it also.
Yes, you can ask.
Okay, thank you.
No problem in that. Okay. Yes, Tejasri. Tejasri, are you there? Yes.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Ma'am, actually, I want to ask a question.
Your voice is too low. Hello, Tejasri.
Ma'am, I'm actually connecting through my laptop. So,
Vansh, sir, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can we take her down? I think at my end, the voice is too low for me.
Okay, okay. Yeah, hello, Tejasvi.
sir, actually, I have a question, sir.
Uh, Actually, Tejasvi, your voice is actually very low. Are you using any headphones or what? Just unplug that so that we can hear you properly because right now I am unable to hear your voice.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello?
Sir, are you audible now, sir?
Yes, yes, you are audible now, but still it's low, but you can tell I can hear it now.
Sir, sorry for the interruption. I have a
No,
question, sir.
yeah.
For performing the program, sir, can we use whatever language we prefer? Like for using backend, can we use whatever language we know? Can we choose
Yes,
Python, whatever
if
we
your
are good at?
specialty is in that particular language, then you can use that. But basically, in this internship program, we are going to cover like Express, MySQL, MongoDB, and the libraries like Mongoose in backend. Okay. So
Okay,
if
sir.
you are comfortable with using Python over there, you can use that in your project. But we are going to cover these much as the backend part. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for your
Thank you, sir.
doubt.
Yes.
Okay, so just in addition, Tejasri, if you are using any other technology, any other tech stack, please tell in the presentation session also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Sanami.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Hi.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, basically, I covered my front-end part and I also covered my back-end part, only PHP and some databases I know. But I want to know about MongoDB and Expresses, so I need this join this internship.
Okay, okay. So please be regular in the class. You will be able to learn your backend as well. Since you are good in the front end, you have done some front end part.
Yes, ma'am. I have make some project also.
Okay, good. So any other person who has been left for their intro, like what they have done previously? Yes, Suraj. Yes, Suraj, are you there? Suraj, are you there? There's must be some network issue from his end. Tanmoy,
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
hi, good evening.
Ma'am, I am currently in my semester of engineering, and my main focus has been on web development, basically MAN development. In the past, I have worked on projects like an doctor appointment system and QR code generator. I have also done my portfolio also, and through this I gained hands-on experience with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js, Node.js, Express.js, and also MongoDB for backend. I want to join this internship because I am looking to apply my skills in a real industrial environment and learn from professionals. That's all.
Okay, it is a good approach for any for joining any internship, since you are already done many projects in this field. Try to learn new things, whatever it is being covered over here, and whatever mini projects you are building, try to add as many functionalities as you can. Don't just follow the tech stacks that is mentioned in the project list. You can also add your own functions and add more middlewares or add more routes if you are able to.
Okay.
Just try to learn new things.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, good. Yes, Umang.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Umang.
Yes, ma'am. I have knowledge of front end, back end, and in database, I have knowledge of MongoDB. And I have already made a project of clone. Means I made a Airbnb project in which I use authentication, cookie session, and login and sign up, and also use RESTful APIs for routing. My motive of joining this is to work in team.
Okay, good. That is also a very good approach. Uh, since you are also aware of many things in this field, make your mini projects as good as possible. Since you are aware of cookie passers, authentication, backend also, database also, and I hope you also know the integration part, how you will be integrating your front end and backend. You can enhance your mini projects as much as you can.
Yes, ma'am. I used EGS for integrating.
Okay, okay. Okay, good, Umang. Tanmoy, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Suraj. I think there was some network issue at your end.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening.
I know React and React.js and Next.js, and also I'm using a Certainty UI. It's a library which is used for the building the UI, and also I'm currently working on a hands-on projects that's also just like a financial web app, including the tradings and live crypto trackers, and also basically I'm making the project like in the blockchains, and also I'm exploring the Rust also. And in the category of the full stack, I'm working with the Next.js and the Node.js, all these things. And ma'am, one more question I want to ask that ma'am, will we get the certificate at the end of the internship?
Okay, so first, since you have covered many tech stacks, I expect you that you build very good mini projects which have uh, not all functionalities, but at least few functionalities that you have all learned. Like you told me, like crypto and blockchain, and even many things like you have done already in the month. Try to
Yes,
build good projects that, since see, it is your responsibility of building your mini projects better as much as you can, because then only you can add those projects in your resume also, because obviously you will be giving your time in building those projects. So try to make that those particular mini projects as good as possible, so that your
yes,
time is also not getting wasted, and you can utilize whatever time you are giving into that project. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So since
Okay.
you all know many things, try to integrate as much as text like in your projects. And secondly, for the certificate part, you all will be getting your certificates if you are eligible for that. And for the eligibility purpose, you should build and present your mini projects in the session. And the second thing is you should be doing your major project as well with presentation.
Okay.
Then you will
Okay,
be
ma'am. Thank you,
eligible
ma'am.
for the certification. Okay,
Okay.
thank you, Suraj.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so anybody has been left? So I think everybody has told about their intro, what they have done and what they are aiming in this internship. Anybody has been left? They can now tell. Please don't hesitate in this internship because uh, that won't be good for you only. There is no hesitation thing that exists because everybody is of your age only. Everybody is at your level. Everybody is trying to learn here. Some are good, some are trying to learn because at the end, your consistency and your hard work is being appreciated. So you can also reach their level. Don't get uh, affected by the people who have already learned many things. You can also learn it. Don't hesitate and don't feel low about that. Yes, Sahani, yes.
Hello. Good evening,
Hi,
ma'am.
good evening.
Ma'am, I know about the main stack, MongoDB, React.js, Node.js, and Express.js. And ma'am, I also build the various project on using this technology. But ma'am, when any company give me, I apply the various companies for the internship, and they also selected me, and they give me project to work. That time I use some AI tools for the building the project. Is there is any problems for using the AI tools?
No, there is. See, using AI tools, using internet, that is not a problem while building your projects. But in case you
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
know what you are building, what you have added to your code, what you have added to your projects,
Yes,
then that
ma'am.
is a problem. Copying your project is not a problem because you cannot code
Yes,
every part of your project. If you are in any company and you are creating any
yes, ma'am.
project, that will be a group project. You cannot
Yes,
write
ma'am.
each and every line. You will be needing the internet as well as AI tools. That is why everybody is saying that you should know how to use those AI tools. It is not like that you will be doing it from scratch, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
When we are
yes.
Ma'am, when we are using the AI tools, then I correctly implemented all the functionality which is required in the project.
Okay, so
So
that means that you are aware of all the functionalities that has to be added. Also,
yes,
you are also aware of how to implement them because AI
yes,
doesn't
ma'am.
give you everything. You should know some
Yes, ma'am.
basics to use those AI tools as well as what you are building.
Yes, ma'am.
So don't think about that if it that will be a problem. Just try to learn as many new things that you can, how to implement them, and use AI tools to enhance your knowledge, enhance your
Yes, ma'am.
projects,
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
right?
ma'am.
Then that will be good for you also, and you can improve your resume.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody is telling you to learn how to use those AI tools, and in this way only you can learn them. Okay, so any other person who has been left? Yes, Tanmoy.
Ma'am, what will our major project, ma'am?
First complete your week 5, your 5 mini projects, then I will be giving you the major project, because that major project will be a group project. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So anybody has been left for their intro, what they have done, what they have learned? People who have joined a little late, just in case you don't know, I am asking what you all have already learned before joining this internship, and what tech stack you have learned, what projects you have made.
Hello guys, is there no doubt at your end or something you want to share? Because today's session was the introduction session, so that you can know about each other, that in which group you are belonging to, and also that you can know about your instructor, and she will know get a pretty idea about the batch also, so that she can make the session accordingly, okay, for you. So I think if there is any doubt and anything you want to share, you can just raise your hand. Otherwise, we are going to continue from tomorrow. Okay. Like from tomorrow, every session will be based on your particular stack or particular whatever we are going to start with. Okay. And then you have to do that. Yes, Daniel.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, in WhatsApp group, the link is provided for the offer letter.
Yes.
And from that we will getting the offer letter or something else.
You have to just fill those two forms, which one have your details and then the domain you have selected. Okay. Then you will get your offer letter to your respective mails, whatever mail ID you are actually filling in that particular form. On that, you will get the offer letter. Okay. So don't worry about the offer letters. You all will get the offer letter as soon as possible. Okay. But as you can see, there are multiple students, so it will take some time. Okay. So don't worry about that.
Yes.
Just focus on your internship period, and it will be provided to you from our end. Okay.
Okay,
Don't worry
sir.
about that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Good.
Thank
Good.
you, sir.
Okay. Any doubt from others? And those who were asking
Excuse me, sir.
about, yes, sorry, who?
Archana, sir.
Okay. Hello, Archana. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Sir, will there be any Slack channel for the doubts clarification, or do we need to ask in the session itself?
There is no different, you can say, group for asking doubt, or you can ask it at the end of the session. Okay. Whatever doubt you are facing, you can ask it. And more we will come to see in the sessions, like if there majority will say to, so that you can connect from each other and ask the doubt at your end, then we will see that what is the solution for that. Okay. But for now, there is no different session group for that to ask your doubts. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, good. Any other doubt, guys? This is good that you are asking your doubts. Okay. Because I have seen that few students are very hesitated, that they have the knowledge, but they are not able to speak in front of so many people. Okay. Right now, 67 people have joined the meeting. So it is good that you are able to just put your thoughts in front of everyone. Okay. So that's great. If regarding a doubt, if you have any doubt in sessions also, you can just raise your hand and your instructor will answer you accordingly. Okay. But what you have to do, you have to maintain the decorum of the group. Okay. Like it's up to you that how you want the sessions. If you are going to participate actively in the session, you will get the session quality like that. Otherwise, if you are doing like not doing it on regular basis, then it will only cost you. Okay, so please be there on time. And this is also important that don't join the session after 30 minutes, okay? Because it will be not good for you that you are not getting the 30 minutes content from that. So please try to just be on time. The link will be shared to you in your group each and every day. And we will also give a reminder message for everyone to just join the session. Okay, so please everyone be on time and join this meeting through laptop so that you can parallelly execute the code and it will help you while learning. Okay, so is there any doubt? Otherwise, we are just good to wrap this session and we are going to connect tomorrow. Then you will start with different stacks like front end. We are going to start tomorrow. Okay. So no doubt, guys. Just respond with yes or no so that I can get a fair idea about it.
No, sir.
Okay, great. What about others?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
that's
sir.
No
great.
doubt. No doubt.
Great.
No doubt, sir.
No,
So,
sir.
guys, I
No
think
doubt
now we
also.
are good to just wrap this session. So, thank you so much for joining. I hope that all of you are going to attend the session live tomorrow. Okay. And attendance is mandatory in this internship period. So, be on time. Happy learning. And anything, ma'am, you want to tell them?
Yes, please be regular in the class and try to learn as much as you can. In case you have any doubts, you can ask at the end of the session. Also, try to connect with your friends in the group only so that you can create a group at your end also, and you will be able to build a community at your end so that you will be able to discuss whatever projects you have made, whatever doubts you are having. And in case you are having doubts after that also, then you can ask from me. And all the best for this internship. I hope you all get a very good experience out of this and very good projects at the end.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I think everyone can leave the session. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. Happy learning, and we will connect at sharp 7 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. So
Thank you, sir.
take care. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you.
Other students can also leave the session right now. And if there is any doubt, they can ask. Hello, guys. Are you there? Okay. Abhishek, Tanuj, Harshit, Gyan, Pratap. You can also just leave the session. And if there is no one in the session, I can just removing them. Ma'am, I
Hello.
think now we can wrap the session. Yes, sir.
You called me?
No, sir.
I got a call from the group actually, so that's why I joined.
Sir, actually, the students have access for that, so I think some of them have done that. So we have to
Okay.
restrict that. Yes, sir.
So I think from tomorrow, should I means restrict them to for call and video and only make anyone as a presentation. Anyone
Uh,
can I make a
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
presentator, right?
Yes, sir. You
So
can
it will be
create.
good if they have access to the chat.
No, no, because but they are asking some irrelevant questions, so that is the reason I always disable the chat.
Sir,
Okay,
I
sir.
think now they are not going to ask that because we have cleared all the doubts. If
Okay,
such thing happen, then we will also tell them one more time that this chat box is just only for
and
discussion. You don't
fine.
have to
And I
ask.
also what I suggest that do not restrict them for mic and mic because what would happen? It will not looks good because it will break the. I mean, they lose the trust actually.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Means
sir.
right. So I think if someone is doing some uh, activity which is not good, then just inform me. Uh, I will remove that person from the call. Uh, but removing the access to everyone, I think it's not good,
Okay, sir. We
right?
will make sure that such thing not happen in our session. But
Yeah.
if someone is doing that, then we will notice that name or we will ask them to stop
Yes.
if they are doing this. Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Just inform me. I will remove that person from the call. And for the chat, if you want, I will provide the access to the chat also. But since today is the first session, so people will ask irrelevant questions. So that is the reason I have disabled the chat. But from tomorrow, if you want, I will enable the chat also.
Yes, sir. Then
Yes,
that
sir.
will be good because that won't create a chaos in the session.
Right, right. Fine. Fine. So from tomorrow, the session will be going on as means normally. No one is. Uh, we are not going to restrict anyone from the access of anyone. Okay. If you
Yes, sir.
identify that if there is any issue with any person, then inform me. I'll remove them from the call. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then. Thank you. And
Thank you,
session
sir.
was good. So from tomorrow, just take your normal session from tomorrow onward, and fine. Everything is good, right?
Yes, sir.
So have a
Thank you,
nice
sir.
day. We'll connect tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Good
Thank
evening,
you.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.